Hello, my name is Joseph Gold. I'm going to be reporting to you my internship for my spring internship at Gold Hill Nursery. I chose this position mostly because I work here and I have a really deep passion for the growth of this company. It's really been a part of me and who I am, and I really enjoy working with the people, and I just couldn't think of any other internship that I would want to do. It has other benefits, but that's mostly the biggest reason why I chose this company. I already had the job, and it wasn't really that hard to get. Being in the business for 15 years, it was fairly easy for me to get this position and create a new thing that made it work with the BYU internship program. A lot of things that I've learned in the past have in the last 2 years of my schooling has been really able to help me. But this semester, I've been taking entrepreneur management, and it's been able to help me to understand and to what it takes for a company to have real success in regards for money. And I've been working closely with the CEO, and from these applications I've learned, we're taking leaps and bounds and helping this company grow. Also, I've been taking financial management, and it has also been able to help me to know what tools and metrics to stand by so that we are able to know the success of this company. Overall experience. This last semester, in the previous semester, I had helped with the CEO start up a new nursery called Kinjin, and in there we were able to put stuff in the ground, flower shade trees, but from there I said, well, we have all this land, why can't we just use it all and really ramp up our production and look at the 4-year cycle on this, and what kind of money get the ROI. And he liked the idea, and so we made some more advances in this last semester, and within the next 2-3 years, this 80 acres will be completely filled up. Also, I've been working with the CEO to help him to understand a strong outside team and to help the company become stronger with an outside crew, which is lawyers, CPAs, and other people like that, professionals. This future of the impact has helped me to understand why is it important to do what I'm doing, and hopefully my future here at the company is brightened because of what I have learned in this last semester. My advice: build your career equity. Do not think you have all the answers right away. Learn and build on what you have learned and put to use, and when the time comes, you may use to your advantage. That's the crux of it all. And I appreciate this opportunity to be working at this internship, and I hope this small presentation gives you an insight of what I enjoy. Thank you.